Welcome to Silicon Valley Asian Business Talk.
So hello, everyone. This is Roger Chen from University of San Francisco Center for Business Studies and Innovation Asia Pacific. First of all, welcome Larry Lee, and thank you for supporting us. Would you please briefly introduce yourself?
Hi, Professor Chen. Thank you for your invitation. It is an honor to be working with you. As myself, my name is Larry Lee. I have more than 600,000 followers on Douyin, or the Chinese version of TikTok. I'm a founding partner of Amino Capital. The fund has been around for more than 10 years. We're headquartered in downtown Palo Alto. We invest almost 300 companies, and more than 15 of them become a unicorn, and more than 30 of them grow into 100 million to 1 billion valuation companies. We have quite a few partners who has been working together with me on the fund, Amino Capital. We are very technical. Most of them has a PhD in science and engineering. Myself, I have a master degree. That's why I have a called Master Lee, but now this name is not may not be politically correct. So we need to think about a better English name. Very fortunate we got on the Midas list last month, which is like the Oscar for investors. And also, as I mentioned, during the pandemic, in order to work, to communicate with partners and entrepreneurs, I get on the TikTok. Also, during the pandemic, I wrote a book together actually with my team. The title is The Logic of Investment. It's published by Tsinghua publisher. It was written last year actually, but during the pandemic, it was published early this year.
Discussion topic: fatal mistakes startups tend to make due to human nature.
What are the other observations or wisdoms leading or fail new venture companies, either during the growth stage or searching for the product market fit that you have observed? Just like you gave us a great example, other wisdoms that you can share regarding the growing or scale, searching for the product market fit. Even failed examples.
Right. There are two aspects. One is never become complacent. Well, sounds like it's easy, right? Oh yeah, we work hard. No. One thing, for example, all the good startups eventually become successful along the journey. There are always moments where they don't have a lot of money. There are always those moments where their money just in the bank only lasts them for a few months. So never think you have enough money. Always raise money when time is good or opportunity is there. Don't think, okay, money is not important now, I have enough. No. For all those good companies, they always experience that. Like we invest quite a few unicorns, companies, they become unicorn. Now they are very successful. All of them has a moment when they're almost running out of money. And they're running around and they talk to like 10 or 20 or even 50 VCs without getting investment. They all experienced this before. There's no single company that has an exception. So easy to say than done, right? Say, don't be complacent. A lot of people will. Many CEOs, many startup founders will. They will at some point feel like, wow, I'm good now. I can get money. I can get all the money I want. And I have plenty in the bank. No. So don't become complacent. There will be moments where you don't have money. You need money really bad. So that's a lesson learned. A lot of like doing a company is like swimming, right? You go up and down, up and down. There will be moments you are under the water, your head under the water. You cannot stay there for too long. Same thing with the company. There will be time you are under the water. Your head is under the water. You have to get up quickly. So that's something
I think, Larry, this is a very, very good advice to many entrepreneurs. Always, have like, the this kind of a crisis mindset.
Right.
Be prepare for those crises. That's great
Yeah.
advice.
Secondly, is change quickly. If you think something you need to change, don't wait. If you see some signal, take action. The signal is there. Most of people could see it, but many people don't take action. Like, for example, we invest some companies, right? They like hiring, they got the $2 or $3 million, and then they hire 15 people very quickly. And even when they don't have any revenues, after a certain time, like their runway is only like 1.5 year. That's how Silicon Valley startup raise money, right? Only 1.5 year. After 1 year, if they don't see any good result, they should change. They should let people go. They should start raise money, but they don't. They don't. They run the company until they are running out of money. Why? It sounds stupid. Actually, it's not. Because they always hear some customers say, okay, if you do this more, I might pay you. If you do this more, I will pay you. And the engineer will tell them, give me a few months, give me 2 weeks. I'll get this done. This will be good. And the investor will say, oh, let me wait and see. Maybe I'm interested in investing, but I need to look more data. I need to come back to you next month. Everybody sounds like a drag along, but you don't. You got to get the signal. You got to say, oh, okay, no problem. Although I don't have a lot of money, but my customer says they might pay me next month. My engineer says they will get it done next month, and the investor will invest next month. No, if you only have 6 months of runway, start to lay off people today at this moment. If you don't get the money in tomorrow, let people go. Downsize your team. You can survive. It's so easy, right? Sounds so easy. No, many CEOs don't do that. They run the company until they don't have cash. There's so many of them. By the time they reach that moment, they come back and say, oh, Larry, I should have downsized my team so that I still have 2 or 3 or even 5 core people I can continue to work. I can wait for opportunities. No, most of the people don't do that. They hear all the stories like, oh, next month will be better. No, don't wait till next month. Today, downsize today.
I would thank you. Actually, I would say many entrepreneurs probably will like your advice as well on this, right? It just, I think many times the reason people do not react, probably is a kind of part of a human nature, I guess.
Procrastinate, right?
Yeah.
But in business, no decision is the worst decision. If you don't make a decision, you literally leave other people make a decision for you. You have to make it.
Thank you for watching.